Shut the front door. Do you know what Microsoft just rolled out? A brand new admin tenant monitoring solution. Oh, you know what? And it's getting better. I mean, it's pretty freaking good. Let's go check it out. All right, you know the thing. Do the like, do the subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want early access to these videos, for $5 a month, you can become a member and you can get early access to all this content. All right, so there's an updated blog out there someplace. I closed this stupid window, didn't I? Did I? No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. Um, oh well. But it's really easy. We're just gonna go in and see it. It's already installed. You have to be a Fabric admin, but I'm showing it to everyone because this is relevant to everyone, so you can see what's available, so you can ask your admin for this stuff. Right, so I'm going to go into admin, and you're going to notice when you go in, there's going to be a little pop-up the first time saying, hey, we're installing a new program, right, or a new service or whatever the heck it is. It's a new report, basically, is what's going to be put in place. You click on the feature usage and adoption, and voila, check out this new report. All right, now some things I really like about this. Well, number one, clearly Miguel Myers or someone from his team designed this, because this thing looks freaking on fire. Okay, so like graphic wise, layout wise, this thing is about as good as it gets. I mean, honestly, I love the layout, how easy it is to look at, navigate. The mixture of KPIs and visuals and little graphics is really beneficial. Okay, so few things. Let's talk first, right? So we've got our filters on the side, so we can adjust all of our custom filters. Please note, you have to put in each filter, whatever you're going to do, then you click on the little apply button right here. Okay, then there's a reset button on there, but we've got some common things in here. So we can see activities, active users, active capacities, active workspaces, all that's on there. That's interesting. They call it active workspaces, because I got a lot more than 15 workspaces. um, you can actually track your activities by date and your users by date. This is my demo environment, so there's just it's just me. There's never more than one user. But I was a little shocked to see I'm averaging like, I don't know, around 10,000 activities a day, even on my demo environment. That's kind of cool. And then when I look at the different capacities, I can actually look at the capacities and what they're doing out there, or that's the workspace. Or if I go over capacity, I can move over to capacity. Oh, capacity info is not available. Interesting. Oh, this is like the PPU. That's what that is. Okay, so that's PPU. Because Eureka, this is my Fabric capacity, and Eagle is my premium capacity. Okay. Now if I scroll down, the next thing we have down below, oh, and look at this, it even blows out. How nice. We can actually see, get dash source content, get dash source details. Huh, interesting. We can actually see all the different activities that are going on inside of the blog. You can scroll in and see all that stuff, go back to the report. You can see most active users. Yeah, that's going to be me. That's pretty cool. But one of the things you can do is there is a drill through capability on each one of these. So let me actually not on the time. Oh, there it is. Drill through. If you can see it, if I can get it over here. So I've got activity details and analysis. I'm going to hit on activity details first. Okay. So you're going to actually see the different items on there at a fairly low grain visibility on this, to see what's going on and what's happening here. Now, this is not super helpful, so, but only because of what it is I'm looking at here. So let's go back. Let's hone in and look at, drill through the analysis table. Okay. Now that's going to take me down to my new tab over here, and it's going to really hone in on that one data point, and you can actually see what's going on inside of here. Now, in this case, again, not super exciting, but you could start to do root cause analysis to understand who's doing these things, what's happening here, what are the item names or endorsement. Uh, you can dig in. It's you can actually do some pretty decent root cause analysis with this. I was playing with it on a like my own client tenant, and it was actually very helpful. This workspace searching is also really great too, because you can then hone in on problem childs that you're looking at and look at the details on that page. Okay, so that's pretty good. When I go to the last thing on here, it's that inventory page, which is actually kind of interesting. You can actually go in and see inventory status by workspace. So how many, what percentage of your reports are active, inactive, same things with all of your other data marts and content that you have on the screen. Oh, here I could scroll in. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool, yo. Oh, it's interesting. Yeah, this is a significant improvement. And inventory status by type. All right, that works too. I don't know. I think this is a fairly well put together. Oh, and look at this navigation thing, so you can actually even see how how the navigation works, what the drill through does, how to export the data. That's pretty useful, right? This is the type of thing you should have on each one of your reports, huh? Give that kind of like feedback and general help page, right? Oh, pretty cool. I'll say I don't like the navigation in this upper right hand corner. I always go to like back over there because I think that stems from your web browser's back is here. So when in a report, I would expect my back here, but that's a small nitpick type of thing. So, so what do you think? First view looks pretty good. Allows you to go into details, allow you to see information that it's kind of hard to get unless you have like your own custom app. So for those of you who've been not building a custom app for monitoring and you're just like, hey, Microsoft will give it to me when it's ready and I'll just use that. This is a pretty good step forward. Love to hear your feedback. Leave it in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. And, hey, maybe you're thinking, this is still nice, but I want more details. I want more on that. Maybe you want a custom app. You can hit me up. Like, we can help you with stuff too. So you have the best day ever. All right. Peace. All right. Like I said, maybe you want a custom app to monitor everything in Fabric. Head over to bakertilly.com. Or bakertilly.com/digital. There's a little form to fill out, and myself or someone else will reach out. We'll get you hooked up. All right. But if you think you can do it, and I believe you can, check out this video or this video to learn more about working in Fabric. Have the best day ever.